after the all-party meeting, the signals that came out from people who spoke was that there was a consensus, and left parties had also agreed not to send the bill back to the select committee. But we got a statement from the left party which said that we are not in agreement with this. So what is your stand now? Would you be again saying that the draft should go back to the select committee?
The left parties have taken a very consistent stand, which was reflected once again in our public statement, precisely because Jairam Ramesh, for whatever reason he believes is valid, has given a totally wrong picture about the stand of the left parties. We have repeatedly told him, including in the all-party meeting, 154 amendments cannot depend on Jairam Ramesh's scrutiny. 154 amendments which affect crores of farmers and tribals in this country cannot depend on the intentions, good or bad, of Jairam Ramesh. There's a parliament, it requires parliamentary scrutiny, and that can only be done through a select committee. We know what parliament is. They will bring the bill at the last minute, and they will try and push the bill through and say there are 4 hours for discussion or 5 hours for discussion. Will MPs have the time to go through each and every detail of that bill? I tell you, I have been through each detail as far as STs are concerned. In the light of the Vedanta Supreme Court judgment, which upholds traditional rights of tribals, do you know that one of the amendments removes the very word traditional from the bill? The Supreme Court judgment talks about the primacy of the Gram Sabha. This bill and 154 amendments among them, they remove the primacy of the Gram Sabha at all. In fact, they say no consent is required in many issues. So Jairam Ramesh's scrutiny cannot replace the scrutiny of a parliamentary select committee. And why is he pushing it through? Is he pushing it through for political benefit? Is he pushing it through to help the corporates? What is this totally wrong impression he is giving that everybody is agreed on it?
He told us specifically that on the left's demand of giving compensation to Bargadars in West Bengal, he has agreed to accommodate that, and also agreed to the non-dilution of a certain provision which would bring down the compensation. So there are 2 accommodations that he has made. In fact, that's him. He said that we've carried both the left and the right together. But I just
Jairam Ramesh, unfortunately, is what should I say? Jairam Ramesh, unfortunately, in his role in trying to push through this bill, is prepared to compromise with the truth. The truth is, he arrogates to himself the right for scrutiny of 154 amendments, and he thinks the farmers and tribals of this country are going to be satisfied that he said, "Acha hum ye de denge, acha hum wo de denge." Who is he trying to fool? What is he trying to do? Let him say clearly that he wants to push this bill to help the corporates. With all amendments in this bill, and I repeat, the amendments in this bill in the light of the Vedanta Supreme Court judgment cannot be accepted because they are totally against that judgment, as far as scheduled tribes at least are concerned.